Got a KZP file that promises better compression than standard zip? These come from a specialized command line compression tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through extracting these Kzip compressed archives. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn KZP files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A KZP file is a compressed archive created by the Kzip file compression utility. Users encounter this format when they need to bundle multiple files and folders into a single smaller package for easier storage or transmission. The primary user intent is to extract the contents using the Kzip software or a compatible archiver. The KZP format is a proprietary binary container designed for efficient compression. It likely uses a custom dictionary-based algorithm similar to DEFLATE to reduce file size by identifying and replacing repeated data sequences. This design prioritizes compression ratio and speed, creating a self-contained archive with a header, file table, and compressed data blocks. When viewing the file metadata, the KZP shows a direct link to Kzip from Ken's software. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows offers limited usefulness with complex archives, so proper access requires decompression software. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your KZP file and select Open With. Test Kzip if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If your KZP file is not opening yet, that is normal. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, extracting with zip tools. Open KZP files with any standard zip-compatible archive tool, including 7-zip WinRAR, Kzip, or built-in OS extraction tools. Right-click the file and select Extract or Open with your preferred archiver. Despite the unusual extension, the underlying zip format means extraction works with universal tools without requiring the original Kzip utility. Next, renaming to zip. Try renaming the KZP file extension to zip for compatibility with applications that strictly check file extensions. Right-click the file renamed to .zip, and the file becomes recognizable to all zip handling applications, including operating system file explorers. The underlying content remains unchanged, enabling normal extraction with familiar tools and workflows. Finally, creating with Kzip. Create KZP files using the Kzip command line tool available from advsys.net. Run kzip output.zip input.txt with various optimization parameters to produce highly compressed archives. KZP is particularly useful for distributing files where every byte matters, such as embedded systems firmware or web optimizations requiring minimal download sizes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.